Good morning, everyone. My name is Vance Darby, and I'm excited to share my research on a rapidly evolving area of business, how artificial intelligence is transforming supply chain and logistics. This presentation is part of our global business and tech course, and it aims to provide a practical and forward-looking understanding of what the most disruptive forces in the industry are today. Okay, to begin, let's quickly define what we mean by transportation and logistics. Transportation involves the physical movement of goods by trucks, ships, planes, and trains. Logistics is broader. It covers everything from inventory management to warehousing, routing, and delivery coordination. Artificial intelligence is being introduced into this space in a powerful way. We're seeing tools like computer vision, which allow machines to interpret visual data, robotics, which automate warehouse tasks, and machine learning, which powers real-time decision making and forecasting. The purpose of this presentation is to explore how AI is changing supply chains by improving speed, reducing errors, and creating entirely new ways to operate globally. Right now, AI is already being used across multiple parts of the supply chain. One key area is autonomous vehicles. Companies like Waymo and Too Simple are testing self-driven trucks and cars. Volvo's Autona platform, for instance, delivers freight hands-free while constantly updating its navigating system. Another major area is route optimization. Tools like Trimble Maps and Appian use AI to suggest the fastest, safest, and most fuel-efficient delivery routes, factoring in traffic, weather, and even load size. Then there's predictive analytics. Companies like DHL and Maersk are using AI to forecast demand and anticipate disruptions. This lets them adjust operations in real time, which can save millions. And finally, AI-driven warehouse robotics are automating picking, packing, and sorting tasks at a level of speed and accuracy humans cannot match. Future developments. Looking ahead, AI's role will only grow. We'll likely see widespread use of drones and autonomous freight systems to move goods with minimal human input. These systems use fewer resources, reduce delivery times, and cut labor costs. One exciting development is the use of AI control towers, which provide real-time visibility across the entire supply chain. Companies like Oracle are leading this shift by offering AI platforms that help plan inventory, avoid bottlenecks, and reduce disruptions. We'll also see green logistics become standard. AI can optimize routes to lower emissions, predict when vehicle maintenance is needed, and reduce the number of empty trucks on the road. That means better performance for both the company and the planet. Challenges. Of course, no innovation comes without its challenges. The most serious is job displacement. According to McKinsey, up to 30% of US jobs could be automated by 2030. Goldman Sachs predicts 50% could be fully automated by 2045. The transition is made harder by the lack of retraining resources. Many workers don't have access to the tools or education needed to shift into new roles. Another issue is regulation. There is no global standard for how AI or autonomous systems should operate. Questions like who's liable in a crash, how is data protected, these still don't have clear answers. Finally, there are ethical concerns such as AI bias, surveillance, and fairness in automation. These must be addressed for technology to be trusted and adopted at scale. Now, for opportunities. Despite all of the challenges they face, the opportunities for AI and logistics are massive. AI can dramatically improve efficiency and cost saving by reducing idle time, planning better routes, and optimizing fuel use. Real-time tracking allows for improved communication between warehouses and customers, and that means better inventory management and faster fulfillment. It also improves safety. Predictive maintenance uses sensors to detect issues before breakdowns happen. Autonomous systems reduce the risk of accident caused by any human error. Lastly, AI supports sustainability. By minimizing wasted trips and reducing emissions, Companies can align with environmental goals while improving performance. Now, for case studies, we're going to use Amazon, Maersk, and FedEx. Let's start by looking at Amazon, who uses AI-powered tool called Orion to optimize every driver's delivery route. It saves the company millions of gallons of fuel every year. Maersk, one of the largest shipping companies, uses predictive analytics to forecast delays in global ports, which helps route shipments and avoid losses. FedEx relies on machine learning to fine-tune its logistics in real time, adjusting delivery schedules and improving its on-time rates. Other companies like Oracle and UPS are also innovating with AI. Oracle's cloud-based logistics system offers real-time planning and visibility, while UPS invested in predictive maintenance and digital twin simulations for warehouse operations. Now, implications for the industry. These developments point to some major shifts for the entire logistics sector. First, the industry is moving from reactive to proactive. Instead of responding to delays or inventory shortages, companies now predict and prevent them. Next, there's a growing demand for AI-savvy talent, not just in IT, but also in logistics operations, compliance, and strategy. Last, governments are under pressure to build regulatory frameworks that support safe, ethical AI use. And finally, we are entering a world where AI determines who stays competitive. Companies that don't adapt risk falling behind. Okay, some key takeaways. To summarize, AI is transforming the entire supply chain, from how goods are shipped and stored to how decisions are made. The technology is already being used by leaders like Amazon and Maersk, and it's unlocking improvements in speed, cost, and sustainability. However, the road ahead includes big questions about jobs, ethics, and regulations. The companies that will lead the next generation of logistics will be the ones who invest wisely and use AI responsibly. All right. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope this gave you a pretty useful overview of how AI is reshaping the logistics sector of things and why it matters. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And if you have any critiques, please feel free to let me know. Thank you.